Women with high levels of prolactin have twice the risk of breast cancer, and you will never even know this fact. And the worst part is that elevated prolactin levels link to multiple miscarriages. It can also interrupt your menstrual cycle and ovulation. But fortunately, you can fight it back. You can protect yourself from high prolactin levels by addressing the root cause of the disease with dietary and lifestyle changes. Pills alone can't do that. So, the main goal of your treatment should be the elimination of root cause, but not getting pregnant. Because pregnancy happens once you eliminate the root cause, and all you have to do is follow our 4-step system to treat your high prolactin levels. Before we get into this system, first I want you to know these facts. One question frequently asked is, can I conceive with high prolactin levels? Whenever I see such questions, I can feel the pain and mental trauma they are going through. I wish we didn't have to go through that. But modern medicine fails to find out the right treatment for you. No wonder you are upset, and yet you don't want to give up your hope of giving birth to your beloved child. It is a dream of every woman, and therefore it shouldn't be denied to you. It is scary, but I must tell it. You have a risk of infertility and miscarriages. You know this, but probably what you may not know is this. When the underlying disease becomes chronic, you are prone to all sorts of diseases. It creates problems with all other systems of your body. Elevated prolactin levels also link it to breast cancer. So, the point is simple. If you only manage the symptoms without addressing its root cause, you may be prone to life-threatening diseases. Because of this, your attention must be shifted to treating the root cause of the disease with dietary and lifestyle changes. Realize this fact. All the chronic diseases, including high prolactin levels, ovary dysfunction, irregular cycles, mood swings, depression and anxiety, lactation or leaky nipples, are caused by improper diets and stressful mind. Unlike modern medicine, alternative therapies only focus on eliminating the disease. In view of these facts, I request you not to brush aside alternative therapies. In this video, you will discover a 4-step system that cures high prolactin levels naturally in the shortest possible time. Here is our 4-step system that helps you reduce your prolactin levels. Each of these 4 steps is designed to correct all the systems in your body, and that is how you can create the right conditions in your body. So, fertility happens on its own. Let us dive into 4-step process. Step 1. Use hormone balancing supplements. Certain supplements can help you balance the hormonal system. Here are a couple of tips. Eat whole grain flour, wheat germ, sunflower seeds, carrots, brown rice, soya beans, spinach, cheese, lentils, shrimp and chicken. These foods are rich in zinc supplement and therefore help in correcting your hormonal system. Most important, take the advantage of herbal supplements like Vitex and red clover blossom supplements. They contain herbal ingredients that have been shown to normalize reproductive hormones, including progesterone, prolactin, FSH, and estrogen. Step 2. Cleanse your body. Your body contains a lot of toxins and chemicals. These toxins and chemicals enter into your body through the foods you eat. Eating fiber-rich organic foods and fruits cleanse your body naturally. So, replace foods made of white flour, sugar with fiber-rich vegetables and fruits. If you are not conceiving, no matter what you do, toxicity in your body is one of the important factors behind your infertility problem. 5 herbs found in fertility cleansing kit cleanse liver and uterus and restores its health. Restoration of liver and uterus health is therefore the secret of conceiving fast. Step 3. Lifestyle changes. What do I mean by lifestyle changes? Lifestyle changes include the foods you eat and the thoughts you think. So, what you eat and think matters in your fight against infertility. The diet you eat determines how your hormonal system functions, how ovulation takes place. You therefore take whole foods along with fruits and vegetables, especially leafy greens. Also include in your diet legumes, nuts and seeds. You are essentially nourishing your body with nutritious foods. At the same time, stop eating packaged and preservative foods as they contain high levels of chemicals and toxins. I have told you what you think also matters. Obviously, your mind influences the body and body influences the mind. So, take steps like visiting your close friends often, spending time in nature, so on and so forth. Step 4. Stress relief measures. As I have discussed, stress is one of the factors for higher prolactin and various other health complications. Stress is caused when you are stuck with the painful past or when you're stuck with fear about your future. Your body and brain wasn't made to handle constant stress. Being mindful and present lowers your stress levels and brings many health benefits. No doubt. The 4-step system becomes powerful when you put this into practice. Even though the solution is simple, many women eventually fail. The reasons for their failure are: 1. Not willing to accept that getting pregnancy is easy. 2. Lack of a simplified, easy to follow system. Despite what you may have heard and what you believe, I am here to tell you, during last 10 years as a fertility blogger, I have discovered that any woman can conceive naturally. Yes, it is true. All that you need is just 2 things. 1. Right mindset. 2. Easy to follow system. And finally, don't forget to download our free short report, How Not to Remain Infertile, by clicking the link given below in the description. In this free short report, you will know the right way to reverse infertility and conceive fast without struggling for years and trying hard. Every woman fighting infertility should read this free short report.